Yeah, hello there. I want to make a video about a new Claude Code skill, so to speak. Um, and I tested it, the Claude Code skill, with a project that I just made recently, and it was a invoice processing project which I made in n8n, and I also sold it on Upwork to my client. And the process was there was like a huge folder with a lot of invoices they needed to get sorted in separate folders, and he needed a summary for each company, what is the total amount on the invoices they got. And I created this process. I also then instructed the client how he has to set up with the API for Google Cloud, because it works like in the Google Drive, and how to set it up with a DeepSeek language model, and so on. And I took this project and I started yesterday, and I went to Claude Code and created the skill invoice processor motor hub. And I had a little bit a back and forward until I actually could create the invoice folder like I would it have to have. I ended up to create three skills, like, because it wasn't like I needed it to have, but at the end I was successful, and and it works pretty well. So at the end, it gives me a summary of the invoices, the total amount, and it creates a zip folder where I can download it. I did it already, where I have the invoices organized in different folders with all the PDFs which correspondent to the company. And I would say this is pretty amazing, because the setup, especially if you have like customers, they say, "Oh, what is an API? How I have to set up n8n?" And is really really simple and fast to do. So I advise now my client, hey, instead of using the n8n workflow, um, what he thinks about to use the Claude skill, and I provided him with the skill file. In the skill file is everything described what he needs to have this skill in his Claude code. And yeah, I just have to say I'm pretty impressed. This incredible change now to have this skill in Claude code, and yeah, I'm curious what happened next. So a lot of things are going really fast with update, and things are more easy. And yeah, it's great. I hope you did like this video, and like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.